Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best stand mixer to upgrade your kitchen? You're in the right place. Today, I'm counting down the top 6 best stand mixers that deliver outstanding power, performance, and value. Whether you're a passionate home baker, busy home cook, or tech enthusiast, there's a perfect mixer waiting for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the links in the description below if you want to know the latest prices and more information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product. Kitchen Product Insights. Product number 1. Kitchenaid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. Taking the number 1 spot is the Kitchenaid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer, a premium machine designed for serious home bakers and cooking enthusiasts. Powered by a high-performance motor, it easily handles heavy bread dough, pizza dough, cookie batter, whipped cream, and cake mixes with professional-level consistency. Its spacious 7-quart stainless steel bowl lets you prepare large batches, making it ideal for family gatherings or meal prep. The sturdy bowl lift design provides excellent stability, even when mixing thick ingredients. Multiple speed settings give you precise control, while the iconic Kitchenaid attachment hub supports dozens of optional accessories like pasta makers, meat grinders, and food processors. Built with durable metal construction, this mixer is made to last for years. If you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and reliable stand mixer that can tackle virtually every kitchen task, the Kitchenaid 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer is easily one of the best investments you can make.
Product number 2.
Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. Coming in at number 2 is the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer, an excellent budget-friendly option that delivers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Featuring a planetary mixing action, it rotates the beaters around the bowl for even and consistent mixing results. The powerful motor handles cookie dough, cake batter, frosting, mashed potatoes, and many everyday recipes with ease. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move and store, while the splash guard helps reduce mess during mixing. Multiple speed settings allow you to mix everything from delicate whipped cream to thicker batters. The generous stainless steel bowl offers enough capacity for family-sized recipes, making it perfect for beginners and casual bakers. If you're searching for an affordable stand mixer that combines convenience, dependable performance, and excellent value, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer deserves a spot on your kitchen countertop. Product number 3. Okma 6.5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. The Okma 6.5-quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer earns the 3rd position thanks to its combination of style, power, and affordability. Its spacious 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl easily accommodates large batches of cookie dough, bread dough, cake batter, and whipped cream. The tilt head design allows quick access for changing attachments or adding ingredients while mixing. Powered by a strong motor, it offers multiple speed settings to match different recipes and mixing needs. The anti-slip suction cups provide excellent stability, even during high-speed operation. Included attachments such as the dough hook, whisk, and flat beater cover nearly every baking project. The sleek, modern appearance also looks fantastic in any kitchen. Whether you're upgrading from a hand mixer or starting your baking journey, the Okma stand mixer provides reliable performance, generous capacity, and excellent value, making it one of today's best affordable stand mixers. Product number 4. Martha Stewart 5.3-quart stand mixer. At number 4 is the elegant Martha Stewart 5.3-quart stand mixer, combining timeless style with dependable everyday performance. Designed for home cooks who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality, this mixer features a durable motor capable of mixing cake batter, cookie dough, frosting, mashed potatoes, and more. The 5.3-quart stainless steel bowl offers ample room for everyday baking tasks while maintaining a compact countertop footprint. The tilt head mechanism allows easy ingredient access and quick attachment changes. Multiple speed settings provide flexibility for mixing, whipping, kneading, and beating with precision. Included accessories handle a variety of recipes, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Available in attractive colors, it complements modern kitchen decor beautifully. If you're looking for a stand mixer that balances reliable performance, elegant design, and everyday convenience, the Martha Stewart 5.3-quart stand mixer is a wonderful choice.
Product number 5. Uni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer. Next up is the innovative Uni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer, specially engineered for bread lovers and pizza enthusiasts. Unlike traditional planetary mixers, it uses professional spiral mixing technology that develops gluten more efficiently while reducing heat buildup in the dough. This results in softer bread, better pizza crusts, and improved dough texture. The powerful motor delivers consistent kneading performance, making it ideal for artisan baking at home. Multiple mixing speeds allow excellent control throughout the kneading process, while the spacious bowl handles generous batches with ease. Premium construction ensures durability, and its modern design stands out in any kitchen. If homemade pizza, sourdough bread, or artisan baking is your passion, the Uni Halo Pro Spiral Mixer offers a unique advantage that traditional stand mixers simply can't match. It's an excellent investment for serious dough enthusiasts.
Product number 6. GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer. Rounding out our list is the impressive GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer, bringing smart technology into modern kitchens. Designed for tech lovers and busy home cooks, this mixer combines powerful mixing performance with intelligent features that simplify baking. Smart controls, guided mixing capabilities, and advanced speed management help deliver more consistent results for beginners and experienced bakers alike. The robust motor handles bread dough, cookie dough, cake batter, whipped cream, cake batter, whipped cream, and many other recipes effortlessly. Its durable construction ensures long-term reliability, while the large mixing bowl supports family-sized batches. The sleek, premium design looks fantastic on any countertop and reflects its advanced capabilities. If you enjoy connected appliances and appreciate modern convenience, the GE Profile Smart Stand Mixer offers an exciting blend of innovation, performance, and versatility. It's an excellent choice for anyone building a smart kitchen. Thanks for watching. I hope this roundup helped you choose the perfect stand mixer for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment with your favorite mixer, subscribe for more honest reviews, and check the links in the description for current prices and additional product information.